Bullish Reef money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Reef could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Reef money market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Reef money presentation. This video is exclusively founded on cutting-edge specialized examination, while additional understanding into the fate of Reef money was given from calculation stages to cost conjectures. There are numerous hypotheses that a ton of coins will not endure this bear market and some could come to the opposite end. However, could Reef back be among the exceptions? What are the future possibilities and how might we approve its cost activity? What is Reef money? Reef money is a Layer 1 blockchain coordinated convention that was worked to act as a connector for DeFi and NFT clients, consequently facilitating their development starting with one organization then onto the next. It was likewise made because of the significant expense of exchanges of the Ethereum organization to go about as a superior elective that gives a consistent encounter to clients. They constructed Reef with substrate structure, an organization that goes for the gold and offers lower exchange expenses and organization security, to have a firm ground in digital money improvement when Ethereum coordinated DeFi conventions bother with cost charges. The weaknesses of being a developing task on Ethereum are so many due to the clog in the organization. However, the commitment of the consolidation guarantees that the expense would be decreased significantly. Reef Finance, which was established in 2019 by Denko Manchesky, an ex-prime supporter of Vuli from Macedonia, represents dependable, extensible, productive, and quick blockchain. The entrance it gives across all chains incorporates Universe, Torrential Slide, Binance Savvy Chain, and so on. Reef is an exceptionally extraordinary blockchain item since it gives an element that numerous conventions don't have, which is the capacity for a Reef client to deal with multi-chain tasks from across networks at a lower cost. This particularly helps fledglings in effectively exploring starting with one organization exchange then onto the next, as expressed by the president Denko Manchesky. The typical retail financial backer entering the DeFi scene is befuddled. They don't have a clue about the names of the ventures or how to stay aware of the best systems and remain protected and very much enhanced. They need to go through, similar to, 5 unique sites and utilize various connection points made by various designers. It's staggering, and keeping in mind that you do this, you're passing up various open doors. Uses of Reef. Reef money has a great many applications in view of elements permit the clients to coordinate it into different organizations they incorporate. It can be utilized for better and savvy dynamic on-chain for DeFi shrewd agreements as a result of its man-made reasoning customized brilliant motor. This knowledge motor is additionally a profit information authority from many chains to such an extent that Reef clients are in the know regarding the full organization exercises as they occur. The simulated intelligence motor likewise helps in resources suggestions and the executives, which helps the client in better capital portion. Reef goes about as an entryway for financial backers, the two novices, and high-level clients, as it attempts to work on the organization exchange processes. Its savvy yield cultivating aggregator assists with marking, loaning, cultivating, and other convention exercises. Reef money current cost. Reef money is right now worth $0. Reef has moved 1.95% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,997,097. Reef money is at present position 293 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $64,107,060 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Reef money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Reef money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Reef money value forecast 2022. Reef money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Reef cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Reef is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Reef money value forecast 2023. In 2023, Reef money Reef cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Reef will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Reef's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Reef will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Reef money value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Reef might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Reef is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Reef Money Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Reef Money effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Reef coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Reef will be green in 2025. The Reef is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Reef Money Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Reef cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Reef has a most extreme value worth of 1 cent. Reef Money Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. In the event that Reef figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Reef needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Reef Money Value Expectation 2028. While Reef is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2028. Reef Money Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Reef Money will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Reef Money Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Reef cost in 2030 is projected to be 3 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Reef money cost today? Today, Reef Money is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $64,107,060. Is Reef Money a wise venture? Reef Money ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that Reef is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Reef Fund go? The typical cost of Reef Money might potentially reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Reef Money might outperform 2 cents. What amount will Reef back be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of digital currency and Reef Money, a drawn-out interest in Reef could see the value ascend to 2 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Reef Fund